So today we're going to talk a little bit about graphing. So this big graph here with all these lines and points on it is called a coordinate plane. So that's what this graph is. It's called a coordinate plane with lines and points on it. The point right in the middle is called the origin, and that's always at 0, 0. So you have an x-axis that goes left to right, and then you have a y-axis that goes up and down. So that makes up these lines on the graph. And the point right in the middle is 0, 0, and that's called the origin. And that's when we graph, we're always going to start there. And then all the points on the graph are called ordered pairs, and they're made up of an x value and a y value. So the x value always comes first, and then the y value comes second. And when you graph, you go left or right first, and then after you do that, you go up or down. So left or right first, up or down second. And left and right are the x values, and up and down are the y values. So let's go ahead and try some of these. So it says, tell what point is located at each ordered pair. So my first ordered pair down here is a positive 8 and a positive 7. Well, this 8 is my x value, so that tells me to go left or right. And because it's a positive 8, I'm going to go to the right. So I start at the origin and I go over 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now my y value is 7. It's a positive 7, so that tells me I'm going to go up. So from this point, I'm going to go up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I land on this S. So that's what letter is at the ordered pair of 8, 7. Now number 2 gives me an ordered pair of positive 6, positive 8. So again, I start in the middle. I'm going to go over to the right 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then my y value is 8, so I'm going to go up 8 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I land on the G. So that's going to be my letter at 6, 8. Number 3, I have a ordered pair of negative 5, positive 2. Now because my x value is negative, that means I'm going to go to the left, because left is negative. So I'm going to go left 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then my y value was positive 2, so then I'm going to go up 2, 1, 2, and I land on the V. So my ordered pair of negative 5, 2 is going to be the V. My next ordered pair is negative 6, positive 5. So again, I'm going to start in the middle. And because it's a negative 6, I'm going to go to the left 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then it's a positive 5, so I'm going to go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I land on the J. Number 5, I have a x value of 0 and a y value of negative 2. Well, when I have an x value of 0, I don't have to go either way. I just stay right in the middle. But then my y value is negative 2, so I have to go down 2. 1, 2, and I land on the E. Number 6, I have a ordered pair of negative 8, negative 9. So I'm going to go to the left 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I'm going to go down 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I land on the D. Number 7, I have a ordered pair of negative 3, positive 4. So I'm going to go to the left 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I land on the U. And then number 8, I have a ordered pair of positive 4, positive 9. So since my x value is positive, I'm going to go to the right 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to go up 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I land on the Z. Now the next set says write the ordered pair for each given point. So now I actually have to write the x and the y value down. So the first letter they tell me to figure out is x. And that's right here. So starting in the middle, I have to figure out, okay, how many times did I go this way, and then how many times did I go up? So I went over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my ordered pair for that's going to be -5, +5. Because I had to go to the left 5 times and then up 5 times to get to the x. And remember, we're starting in the middle. So the next point is B, which is right here, right on the y-axis. So I didn't have to go left or right. So I'm just going to go up. So my x value is going to be 0 because I didn't have to go either way. But then I have to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my ordered pair for that is going to be 0, 8. Number 11 is W, and that's down here. So I'm going to have to go left 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to have to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I went left 3, down 7. So those are both negative. So my ordered pair would be -3, -7. Next point is M. So I'm going to have to go left. So I got to go left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I got to go up 1, 2, 3. So left 7 would be -7. And then up 3 would be +3. Next letter is Q, which is way up here. So I have to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So left 8, up 9, so that's going to be -8, +9. And then R is right here. So I got to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So left 8, down 6. So those are both going to be negative. So -8, -6. And then F is over here. So I got to go over to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So +9, and then I went down, so that's -6. And then L is over here, so I have to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I got to go left 8 and then down 8. So those are both negative. All right, then the last set here asked me to plot these points on the coordinate plane. So my first point is -5, -2, and that's going to be an N. So I'm going to go, it's negative, so I got to go left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then my Y value is -2, so I got to go down 2, 1, 2. So I put a point right there, and then I put an N next to it. The next ordered pair is -8, +8. That's going to be an H. So -8. So I got to go over 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I got to go up 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to put a point right there. And that's going to be H. The next point is +7, +6. So that means I'm going to go to the left or to the right 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to go up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that letter is going to be a T. Number 20, I have a point of -5, -9. That's going to be a K. So -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then -9. So I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So right here, and that is going to be a K. And number 21, I have ordered pair of 6, 0. So I'm going to go over 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because my Y value is 0, I don't go up or down, so I just put it right on that line. And that is going to be I. Number 22, I have a point of 3, 3. So that means I'm going to go over to the right 3, 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and put a point there. And that is going to be a P. Number 23, I have a +5 and a -6. So I'm going to go over to the right 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My Y value is -6, so I have to go down 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put a point there, and that is a Y. And then my last point is a +1 and a -5. So I'm going to go over to the right 1, and then down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put a point there, and that is an A. So what you guys are going to do now is you guys are going to do a IXL assignment to practice this.